So this is stunning new Pixel 8 Pro in porcelain, kinda gold white finish.
Sleek, beautiful, and ultra premium.
So as came from the official Pixel support page is real, and this is not the white finish you saw in Pixel 7 Pro but gold finish aka porcelain we have in the Pixel Fold. Then there's a pill-shaped module containing triple cameras, and on the right we have LED flash plus body heat scanner. The image also show an unknown watch, so could be the Pixel Watch 2. The Pixel 8 Pro is coming in 3 color finish. Sky, we have seen that in the Audio Magic Eraser teaser. This black, which is kinda like Pixel Fold Obsidian variant, and the porcelain, which is the one from support page. So a matte finish at least in the black and porcelain one. Same source mentions that Pixel 8 series might finally offer 5 years of OS and likely 5 to 6 years of security patches. This similar to what Apple does. Samsung and OnePlus are offering 4 years of OS and 5 years of security patches. So Pixel is gonna surpass them this time and provide us with the best software support, giving a tough fight to the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. The best part is Pixel 8 Pro might cost similar to the iPhone 15 Plus, which is $899, so for sure far better deal than iPhone. Some case images of both the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro coming in, confirming the roundish form. So the all favorite boxy finish is now gone, and we have more roundish corners similar to the Samsung S22 Plus with not so thick front bezel, and not to mention we have flat front screen, which is disappointing. Here we saw the live image of the Pixel 8 Pro, and I think it does look great. Now this is your first look at the all new camera UI for the Pixel 8 series, and we have a new toggle switch for still images and videos. So in still image mode you will find night sight, portrait, panorama. In video mode we have slow motion, pan, blur and time lapse, each with its own separate settings. The Pixel 8 devices will be powered with Tensor G3 silicon based on Samsung's 3nm process, and this time it is gonna be on par with Qualcomm 8 Gen 2 chipset. The Pixel 8 is coming in October like last year, so have to wait a little, and I just cannot wait to try out that device. Thanks guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.